Hello everybody and welcome back to another video on how to make money online. Today we're going to teach you how to make money on YouTube without making any videos. So stay tuned all the way till the end and let's get started. First of all, we're going to start by going to YouTube, right? We need a YouTube account, we need a Google account, and we need a YouTube channel, right? So we're going to create all of these things through Google. We're going to create a Google account, and after we create that Google account, we're going to create a YouTube channel, I'm sorry. Once we have that YouTube channel, we're gonna go to YouTube, and first of all, we're gonna look at what we could make, right? We don't want to make any videos. We don't want to show up on video, right? So what could we do? Maybe we could do lists, right? Maybe we can do a top 10 list. If we look at these results over here, they have a lot of views, each one of these videos. But what happens if we modify the search results to stuff from this month, and let's check out the view count, right? Let's see what's the most viewed videos this month from top 10 list. So we have a top 10 best golden buzzers on American Got Talent ever. We have top 10 Friday night SmackDown moments, right? So over here we can look at tendencies of what are people looking for. We have video games, we have scary stuff, right? So over here we can see what people are looking to watch, what people are watching right now, and maybe we can take all of these ideas and all of these videos and we can turn them into our own. We can make our own videos to make money ourselves. Right now I want to share with you that the most viewed videos on YouTube are these categories: financial videos. If you see over here, we have a lot of views on these videos. Then we have luxury videos, right? So stuff that has to do with luxury. If you look up for luxury on itself, you're not gonna find many videos. But if we look over here, we see that there are a lot of videos on how the rich people live, right? So if you want to make a video about rich people and their way of living, you could make a lot of money through the views on that video. We also have scary videos. If we go to scary, you're gonna see over here we have stuff from 3 days ago with over 280,000 views. We even have 12 scary videos caught live on TV. It was posted a week ago and it has a lot of views, right? So these are all videos that you don't have to film or do yourself. You just have to find the videos and put them together. Also, we have a lot of meditation videos that are very popular, right? So meditation videos are videos that are getting watched a lot. So maybe a meditation video would be a good option for you, right? If we look over here, they're not even that complicated, to be honest. They're the kind of videos where you could just use some relaxing video on the background, or you could just use some image on the background and use some relaxing music with some kind of mantra or meditation, and this will help people relax and it will get a lot of views. If, as you can see, there are a lot of live videos even with just an image and relaxing music and mantra on the background that will help a lot. Now, psychology are another set of videos that are very popular on YouTube. So if you want to look at psychology videos, if we look at the view counts from this month, we have even a 9 hours ago video with 184,000 views, right? And if we kind of run our cursor over it, we see that the second one isn't, but the first one was what it looks like, just images, right? Just found footage, right? Or royalty-free images that are being used to give a visual to the stories that are being told. Now that we've seen this, I want to go back to scary stories, because this is, to me, the easiest way to make these videos. Now if we go to this week and we go to relevance, we see right here this video: 3 true scary stories to keep you up at night, right? This is by Mr. Nightmare. It has a lot of views, almost 500,000, and Mr. Nightmare has almost 5 million subscribers. But the most interesting thing is that this whole video is just a voiceover of scary stories with images on the background, right? Nothing really happening on the video. It's just images, just pictures, royalty-free pictures in the background with a scary story. Now let's look at the channel of Mr. Nightmare. We see over here that most of his videos are just those kinds of videos where he just puts an image and then tells a scary story behind it, and people watch it. Right now, if we take it to Social Blade, we can see that he's making between $3,000 and $47,000 a month. That is a lot of money. We can look at all of his information right here. He has 184 uploads. That's not that many videos, right? That's 184 videos. Let's say you could do that in a year, and then after a year you could be making this, right, in between $35,000 and $571,000 a year from making YouTube videos. Now, this proves it right here that making YouTube videos could make you money. Mr. Nightmare is making money through these videos. Now, let's take a look at a different video. This other video is by Being Scared. Being Scared has a video that's called Scary True Stories Told in the Rain, right? Rainy windmill video, scary stories, rain video, rain, right? So something important is to name your video something people will look for. Now, this guy has 69,000 views. He uploaded it about 10 days ago, and this channel has 175,000 subscribers. Now let's take a look at this channel and let's take it to Social Blade and see what Social Blade can tell us about this webpage. So if we see over here, we have more videos with just an image, an effect that can be achieved in any kind of editing software, and just a scary story in the background. And let's see how much money Being Scared is making through these videos, right? Let's look here. He's making in between $367 and $5,000.9, right? So almost $6,000, in between $367 and $6,000, right? He's making in between $4,000 and $70,000 a year just from making these videos. Again, as I said, it doesn't take much. It only takes images, royalty-free images. It takes some kind of interesting content, right? Something that you could read, something that you could say. In this case, I chose scary stories because I feel like this is something very interesting to a lot of people and very easy to do, right? We have a lot of channels with this thematic, and if you choose one of the niches that I mentioned, financial, luxury, scary, meditation, or psychology, or top 5, top 10, you are gonna make money because this kind of videos get watched. Now let's go take a look at this other page that doesn't have that many subscribers. It has almost 300 videos, but it only makes in between $64 and $1,000 a month. Now, why is this happening? Because content matters, right? If you make better videos, you're gonna make more money. It's just that simple. So make sure that even though you can make easy videos without really having to do videos, you just have to put stuff together. You could make a lot of money, but if you don't put your heart into it, if you don't put enough work into it, you're not gonna make that amount of money. Now let's take a look over here to Slumber Reads. This another guy. He only has 70,000 subscribers, right? He is going to be making less money than the other people, but if we look over here, he is just basically doing the same thing, scary stories over a scary image. Now let's take his channel over here and let's take a look. Let's see how much money he's making. $75, in between $75 and $1,200 a month. It's not terrible, you know, like you could make up to $12,000 a year just from making videos on YouTube, which is not bad at all. Honestly, an extra $1,200 a month is not bad at all. Now, if we go back to YouTube, we can see that all of these niche videos have a lot of views. I'm telling you, if you make some kind of video within this niche, all of these niches, you are going to make money. Now, you might be thinking, well, where am I going to find the material? Where am I going to find the sources? Where am I going to find everything that I'm going to put together to make this money? And it's very easy. You're going to find it here on YouTube, right? We're going to go over here, and most of this stuff is stuff that you could use yourself. As long as you are complying with all of the rules of fair use, you could be using all of this material to make your own videos. Maybe you can make a top 5 list of the best singers on YouTube, or a top 5 list of the best videos on YouTube. You know, you could be making the scary stories, you could be making any kind of videos, any kind of material that might get people hooked and makes them want to watch your channel. Right now, I'm going to give you a few tips on how to get started creating material, and these tips start with Pixabay. Pixabay is a webpage where you can find free stock footage right? From images to videos, you can find a little bit of everything. So if we type horror over here, to keep going with that example, we see a lot of scary images here. We can take any of these images and start telling a scary story about aliens or a haunted house. You know, we can make up our own stories, put them on YouTube, and turn into the next Mr. Nightmare and make a lot of money through making videos. We also have places like Internet Archive. Internet Archive is a webpage where most of the stuff that's here is royalty free, right? And they have different sections right here like community audio, community video, community text, right? So you could choose your category and go to that category and find the stuff that you are able to use on your videos to create content, to start making money, right? So let's take a look over here at that community text. Let's type in horror. Over on this side on the left, you are going to be able to refine your search a little bit. So let's pick English, right? So right over here we have 400 results for her. So we can read any of this. We can read any of this for free, and then we can use any of these stories on YouTube, put a scary picture, a scary video on top of it, and then go over here on YouTube and look for audio library or look for any other kind of royalty-free music website. In this case, audio library to me has been very helpful in many cases. They have many really cool playlists that separate the music by their moods, right? So you can choose a playlist that might fit the mood that you're trying to achieve, and then you can put it all together, right? You put it all together on an editing software. You can get DaVinci Resolve. You can download a free version, and it is more than sufficient for you to make these videos. Now, this is a little extra, this is a little more professional, right? This is the type of software that's going to take a little bit of learning in order to get it done, right? So what you could do is just find a free editing software, something a little more simple. If you have a Mac, maybe you can use iMovie, but in this case, for example, we have an online video editor, and then we have another video editor that I wanna show you guys because I think it's a very good video editor. But the first one here, Magistro. Magisto is very good. It's a new way to edit videos, so you could edit your videos over here, or you can go to OpenShot and download OpenShot. It's completely free, and it will allow you to edit all your videos to the point where you need them for YouTube. So if you use any of these tools, if you put it all together, if you take the editing software, you take the royalty-free material, you take all that stuff and you put it together into a video that people might want to watch, you might just start making tons of money very soon. So make sure you start making videos for YouTube. Make sure you use this way to make money, and let us know if you have made YouTube videos to make money. Now, we hope that you enjoyed this video. We hope that these tips are helpful for you, and we hope that you like it enough to subscribe to the channel. We are constantly uploading videos on how to make money online. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, please subscribe, please turn on your notifications and make sure they're on so that you know next time we have another awesome video on how to make money online. So thank you very much for watching. We appreciate you watching, and we hope to see you again. Take care.